Imagine getting paid for something you already do, taking class notes. If you've got neat, organized notes, you can turn them into real cash while helping other students succeed. Let's break down how you can start selling your notes online. First things first, your notes need to be top tier if you want students to buy them. That means be thorough. Cover key concepts, definitions, and summaries. Make them easy to read. Use clear headings, bullet points, and highlights for important terms. Next, where do you sell? Here are some of the best platforms where students are already buying class notes. Stuvia. Upload your notes and set your own price. Payhip. Sell PDFs and earn instantly. Doxity. Get paid every time someone downloads your notes. Pricing your notes right is key. Look at what others charge and adjust based on how detailed and useful your notes are. Selling notes isn't just about posting and waiting. You gotta promote them. Use social media. Share links on Instagram, Twitter, and study groups. Join student communities. Get involved in forums where students look for help. Before you start cashing in, make sure you're not breaking any rules. Original work only. Don't copy from textbooks or teachers' slides. Check school policies. Some schools might have guidelines about selling class materials. You don't want your notes getting stolen, so protect them. Use watermarks. Add a light watermark to prevent illegal sharing. Choose secure platforms. Some websites offer anti-piracy protection. Now the fun part, getting paid. Track your earnings and withdraw through PayPal, Venmo, or bank transfer. The better your notes, the more students will buy. Ask for reviews to boost credibility, and always look for ways to improve. Selling class notes online is an easy, flexible way to make money while helping others. So grab your best notes, upload them, and start earning. Hit that subscribe button for more ways to turn your skills into cash.